Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have an unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Courreges or Courreges. It's a French brand from Paris. The designer name is Andy Courreges, I think, and they are specialized in clothing, obviously, and designing clothing, and they have quite a few fragrances in their lineup. I unboxed and reviewed one of their fragrances before, and it was very impressive, especially for the price. So this one is Courreges or Courreges. This is another one that is quite fresh, and it's called Wild Ocean. So it's Courreges Wild Ocean. Beautiful design of the, look at the beautiful ocean impression. And this one is basically aimed at men, and it says Wild Ocean is Eau de Toilette 100 ml. In United Kingdom, is not easy to find for some strange reason. In Europe, is much more available. In North America, you have to do your research and see if it's available and how much it goes for. But I paid under £30 for it, which is, let's see how it goes anyway. But United Kingdom is very hard to find. So you need to be patient and do your research and see if it comes up eventually, if you are interested. So let's see how it goes with the unboxing and first impression. But before I do that, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, and they smell great, and they are hidden gems. And if you want to purchase one of my own perfume, you could do that, buy one of my perfumes and support me that way and get something super beautiful in return. They're ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money. They are very mysterious, artistic, very unique, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the link as well. If you want to buy me a coffee, I would appreciate that very much as well. Thank you for your support, and let's go. Sorry about the noise. When you do unboxing, you can't do much without it. Okay, so beautiful design, white with a blue design to it, so very reminiscent of beach, ocean, seaside and things like that. At least it reminds me of these things. Okay, let's see how is the bottle. So the bottle is same as the last one I reviewed, but it's a slightly different color. That one was a mint color or light green and blue. This one is quite darker, so it goes from light blue to darker blue, which is quite nice. The bottle is quite heavy, and the cap says Courreges here, and it's got details underneath it, and it's very good looking. And it's very nice in the hand, it's very nice on the eye, and the cap is quite a weight to it, and the atomizer is modern. And here we go, let's see how it's atomized. It's very nice. It's giving mist, but it's not pressurized. It's not super, but it's quite nice for the price. All right, so how is the Courreges or Courreges? This is Wild Ocean, Eau de Toilette, 100 ml, and here we go. First sniff, first impression. Oh, it's filling the room already. Okay, here we go. Gorgeous, as it says, gorgeous, Courreges, whatever is the name, is beautiful. If you like aquatic fragrances, wow, what a beauty! You opened up gorgeously. Almost natural, obviously. At this price point you expect some synthetic elements, but it doesn't smell harsh, it doesn't smell alcohol, it doesn't smell chemical, none of those. Beautifully done, very well done perfume in here. I smell definitely oceanic. I smell definitely seasidey. So it's very seasidey, it's oceanic, it's salty. It's quite big on the salt, and a little bit of seaweedy feel to it as well, but not too much right now for the first impression. But I don't detect any fruits or any florals right now. It's very woody and very aquatic and very watery and very salty, and it's basically a very, very good description for it. It's a wild ocean, it is very oceanic, and it's very seasidey smell to it. But it's very bright, it's very happy, it's very quite effervescent, and it is very, very fluffy, very inviting, very captivating, very, very bright and happy feeling to it. Well, that happy feeling of the holiday basically. I smell beautiful ocean. So the ocean in here, it says wild ocean, is not a tropical or hot ocean. It's more like a cold ocean. Okay, it's like maybe North Atlantic, or something like in that genre of oceanic. So it is a little bit on the cold, and but it's super atmospheric, super bright, super fluffy, and very, very happy. But in the same time, it smells quite seaweedy, smells like a beach, smells like ocean, smells like water, smells like basically you're on the seaside, on the beach, and you're sitting there and you're sniffing the wave coming towards you, and that salty air coming towards you, and you smell the saltiness of the air. Yeah, very airy, very atmospheric, and also quite woody. The woods in here is very, very clean, so probably is cedar in here. I smell something like cedar, but it's very, very clean. So overall, this is a super clean, happy fragrance, very, very clean, very oceanic, very sea salty, very beachy, very coastal, and but a little bit on the cold side rather than warm side. So if you like this kind of fragrances, this is a superbly done fragrance. I'm just surprised how good is the quality, how good is the blending, and also how good is the quality of the ingredients for the price of it. So to me, this is for the first impression, absolutely yes, yes, yes. I'm absolutely loving it. If you like aquatic fragrances, if you like oceanic, if you like it sea salty, if you like it seasidey, if you like it holiday, beachy, smell like coastal, anything like that, this is a very, very good fragrance for that. I'm absolutely loving it for the first impression. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, I can't smell any fruits, I can't smell any florals in here, for which is a little bit on the strange side, but I smell something aromatic in here, so I'm not sure if it's lavender in here or something in that vein, but it smells very, very aromatic in the same time. So it's very aromatic, very sea salty, oceanic, coastal, seaside, a little bit of cool water in here, not warm water seaside, cool water seaside, or colder water seaside, and also very salty, little bit of that seaweedy smell to it. For the price, is very, very smells amazing. Smells much more expensive than I paid for it. I paid around £30 for it, but it smells like £100 plus. Smells like a niche fragrance. It's so well done and so well constructed and well blended and put together. So if you like this kind of fragrances for the first impression, yes, yes, yes. In the next video, I'll let you know the longevity, the development, things like that. But for now, absolutely yes, no doubt whatsoever. This is a gorgeous fragrance. Who is it for? This is, I would say, 25 and up to in the safe side. Although the DNA in here is very clean and very friendly, and it could be universally palated, but because of that salty, seaweedy feel to it, I think mature nose will appreciate it better, unless you like this kind of fragrances, which doesn't mean anything. In terms of occasion, this is one of those Swiss Army knife. You can dress it up, dress it down, formal, informal, daytime, nighttime, special occasion, casual, anything you want. Very, very smells gorgeous in here. In terms of season, definitely warmer weather. This is no doubt whatsoever. Just warmer weather, maybe from spring to summer, and that's it. You just basically convey that smell of summer and seaside and holiday and beach and ocean and sea and water and things like that. Beautifully done. And in terms of the ratio for what I paid, I would get, absolutely yes, this is one of the highest ratio you can get in terms of aquatic fragrances. Okay guys, so if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. You will encourage me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems, and this one is definitely looks like it's going to be a hidden gem. If you want to purchase one of my own perfume, I leave in the link. You need to leave United Kingdom in order to do so. You lucky people, United Kingdom. They are ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, no additives, no alcohol, no preservative, nothing, just pure perfume oils in there, and they are one of the highest you can get for a price. Persian summer is highly recommended for this time of year. When you smell it, it blows your mind away. How can the fresh fragrance like this, super fresh fragrance, be so strong? Okay guys, I'll leave them in the link. As always, thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.